From the hollers and hills of West Virginia, it's Heavenly Hills Homestead with another episode. What are we going to do? Stay tuned. Say stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
Boom. Yep, you did it. So here we go. We have the Petra Tools HD4000. The Petra Tools HD4000 backpack sprayer. This thing is a beast. It's a real workhorse. I want to show it to you real quick. We won't be able to really use it until spring, but yeah, we're gonna let you guys take a gander at it in case you guys might want one between now and then.
What's that?
This thing is
What's
beast.
this backpack file?
Yeah. It's a big old backpack
big
sprayer, ain't it?
I like the big backpack file.
Yeah, me too. Alright, so what we got here?
Backpack file.
This
Isn't
here
it
is
good?
the wand, it appears.
What's this?
Let's see.
What's this box?
Shh, quiet. There's the wand.
Wow.
There's this part right there.
This is
Looks
how
like it's and it is. That's what I thought.
what you thought.
Yeah, that's what I thought. So,
What's this?
hmm?
What's this thing? What's this? What's this?
Oh, is this
What's
like good?
this
Yeah, there we go.
thingy?
No.
What's this thingy? What's this?
Hang on, baby. I'm trying to figure it out.
Hang on.
Yeah, hang on, so I can figure it
I
out.
figured it out.
Yeah, figure it out here.
What's that?
I don't know.
What?
Nice, that's an extension of some sort.
Does it work?
Okay.
Does it work?
Let's see.
Does it
Yeah,
work?
there it is.
The backpack
Just gotta push
sprayer.
it up on
Does
there.
it
You
work?
can extend that thing as far as
Does
you
it
want,
work
but
now?
we don't want to do that right now because
Do
we
that
need to
right
keep it as
now.
small as possible for now.
Do that right
storage.
now.
There's the extender hose. Man,
Is the backpack sprayer coming out?
yeah, it's coming out slowly but surely.
Look, it's coming out a little bit. Oh, come out. Come out. Come out. Come out. Good job, my dad. Good job. Good job, Daddy.
Now,
Good job. Good job.
4 gallon capacity,
What's that?
70 psi.
What's that? PSI.
Backpack sprayer, battery operated.
Backpack sprayer. A
There
backpack
for now.
sprayer.
Yeah, shh, gotta be quiet, okay? Here's the hose. Guys, so far, this thing is a lot better than any of them that I've had in the past. I mean, night and day difference between this one and the others. That hose right there is good quality. The fittings are good quality. I mean, that good metal fittings right there. I mean, that's a super duper nice pump. And here's the thing. It costs roughly the same amount as the other ones that I've had. So, got a screen here. I love the screen. Okay, guys, the screen is invaluable to you, especially if you're using stuff like I am. You need the screen. Let's see what this side's got over here. Measuring cup. Hot diggity dog, look here. They provided you a measuring cup with this thing. I mean, Look, you go all the way up to 160 milliliters. Measure out your fertilizers. That's awesome. That thing is awesome.
This looks good fun. This is a fun backpack file.
Yeah. Let me see here. We got some instructions in here. There's the instructions. There's the guide to the Petra Tools HD4000. We'll stick that back in there. Man, it looks great. There's even a thing down there in the bottom, a screen in the bottom of this thing, so you can't get in the hose. So it's got a screen and another screen. That's great. Yes. All right, so there's that.
Are you putting that on us?
Yeah, putting it on, buddy.
Backpack file looks bad.
Yep, there we go. That's nice. So,
Just look
got the battery over here on this side. Let me show it to you real quick. Right here's the battery.
Here's the battery. Here's the battery.
There's the battery. Right there.
The battery's coming out.
Good night. Look how big that thing is. That's a monster battery. You ain't never gonna need a charge on that thing. That thing's huge.
That thing is huge.
That thing is huge, Jay. That thing's like a motorcycle battery.
What?
It's like a motorcycle battery or a four-wheeler battery.
Motorcycle battery.
Yeah. There's the battery.
There's the battery.
That thing's nice.
That thing is nice.
Yeah, it's really nice.
Really nice.
Yeah, really nice. All right, let's shut that back.
Got that back.
All right, there's that. Here's the voltage on it. Right here. And there's the voltage. Here's your hookup.
Hookup.
Right here.
That is the hookup.
For the,
That's a good buddy.
there's your on-off button. There's a fuse right here.
It's different.
That's for you different.
Does it work? Does it work? Does it
And
work
here's
now?
you got a fuse right here.
Fuse right here.
Yeah, there's a fuse.
I like
Okay.
fuse.
Everything is water sealed tight.
What is your
It ain't
type?
gonna get wet and ain't gonna break on you.
The plug on
Here's
there?
your charging port right here. 3-prong charging port for your battery. And that's cool because you can charge it right to the, you ain't gotta pull the battery out. That's great.
Pull the battery out.
Nice, these straps,
That's
really nice straps.
Nice straps.
Nice and soft straps.
Nice and
I like
soft.
that. Here's the hookup side over here.
Hookup side.
There's your hookup side right there.
I like hookup
Nice
side.
brass fitting.
What's that hookup side? Right. I thought
They must have a thing that goes there. Let's see here.
it was down.
See it here?
Does it work?
Yeah, there they go.
Does it work?
Yeah, it works. Works good.
Works good.
And there's that.
I like how it
That's
works
great
good.
right there.
What's
Nice brass
this?
fitting.
What's this thingy?
Let me get that part that fell there. Where did it go? Get back on there real quick.
Put it back on here
Right,
real
there's
quick.
that.
Is it correct?
That thing is nice, y'all. Super nice.
Sounds nice. Super nice.
Super nice. Yes, sir. All right, we got a nice bag here that's zipped up.
Let's
See what all kind of goodies are in here, huh? Shall we?
set that.
So, let's see. Okay, we got
That I
different
bought- I
nozzles
bought-
so far.
That I bought.
Okay, baby, you burped. Some kind of a bulb to suck things out, I guess.
I
To
got
clean
my bag
things
now.
out with. Probably to get some
I
more
got my
gunk or
bag.
funk out of it.
I
A
heard the
couple more
bag.
nozzles that you can use here. You can use these nozzles like this. Doing a wide row. Or you got this one doing single stream. Like that. Got some pipe tape thread for your connections so it don't go wonky on you. Got a brass tip. That's a good one to use. I used that one a lot this past year. I've got a wide spray there, single spray there. And this thing came with tons of different nozzles for different applications. I mean, this thing's got tons of applications you can use it for. There's your fittings, your O-rings, your seals, whatever you want to call them, and your fuse there. Extra fuse. You got
what's this stuff?
your spray handle.
What's this stuff?
That you can.
That's the spray handle.
Yep. See.
What's the spray handle?
Let me see here.
Does it spray look good?
There we go. Okay. There.
Did you push it?
You just push it down.
What's this push it
Locks in
down?
there like that.
What's this
Locks
push?
it down.
Why did you
That's
push
a really
about
nice one
white
too.
body?
Nice brass fittings on there. That's a good one.
Yes.
See what else we got here.
What's this footing?
There's your charging cords there.
Charging cords now?
There it is. It's nice. Super nice.
Super
Everything
nice.
is well built. And you got your instruction manual there too.
It's super nice
All
too.
that, I like that. That's a well made product. So far this year, we bought the Kiwana, or no, not Kiwana.
Wow.
Chemo, I think is what it's called. K-I-M-O. We got that one, and it worked real good the first 1 or 2 times, and then it just quit. We got a new one in. It didn't work at all. The new one didn't. Not one single time. Then we got another one in, the alien one that we have out there, and it works. I mean, it does what it's supposed to, but it don't have the oomph that this one has. This one's got a lot of PSI, so this one here will be a little bit better of a machine than that one out there. But it works. I mean, that one out there works. I mean, there's nothing wrong with that alien one. I would. I mean, if you need a decent one for a cheap price, cheaper than this one, then maybe the alien one is the one you need. But I'm thinking this one here, everything you get. I'm thinking this one here is the one you want because it's a well-made piece of machinery. I like it. I like it. Petra Tools HD4000 right there.
Frozen right there.
4 gallon.
4 gallon.
Nice piece of machinery. Ain't Malik, that's a nice piece of machinery, ain't it?
Yeah.
Yep. Nice piece of machinery. All right, guys. Well, there's the Petra Tool stuff this week that we have gotten from Petra Tools. You guys will see more of the mini fogger in the next upcoming weeks and months. And then you'll start seeing the big fogger and this backpack sprayer outside this spring and summer coming up. So stay tuned for that. If you're looking for something that can do the job, do it well, that has the horsepower to do what you need to do. Obviously it's got the battery power. I mean, that battery is massive, right? This thing here, it's a no-brainer. This one right here is the one you're going to want to use. So go check out the Petra Tool HD4000 today and pick you up one if you want to. So, guys, we'll see you next time right here in the hollers and hills of West Virginia.
Don't forget to smash that like button, that notification bell.
Don't get the
Good job. Here you go. Thank you.
Don't get the
Don't forget to share. Yep. There you go. Good job. And
And
subscribe.